will discuss about the difference between primary data and secondary data. So whenever we write the answer of primary data and secondary data, whether it is the difference between primary data or secondary data, whatever difference, whenever we write, we first write this way, right hand side and left hand side, primary data and secondary data. Okay, in this way, whatever difference we will write, we must write in this way. Two separate segments we will make. Okay, this is the primary data segment, this is the secondary data segment. In primary data, number one, we write in primary data first hand informations, that means the data is original. In case of primary data, we get the original data, we get the data in original in form. But in case of secondary data, we collect the data from some, we collect data from some agency. We collect data from some agency. That is why data may not be original. Okay. Second, in case of primary data, collecting data is expensive. Why expensive? Because we have to send the investigators. For that we have to give them wages or salaries. Okay, for other expenses we also have to spend if we collect the primary data. So that is why collecting primary data is expensive and also time consuming. But in case of secondary data, we don't have to spend much time, because by using magazine, by using newspaper, by using internet, we can within a very short time and very less amount of money, by spending very less amount of money, we can collect lots of informations, and that is why it is less expensive. And less time consuming. Third point, what we can write: primary data is more reliable. Primary data is more reliable than secondary data. But secondary data is not as reliable as the primary data. Why? Because the data have already collected, published and scrutinized. That is why this data may not be reliable. Reliable means someone has collected this data, we don't know. But in case of primary data, investigator will go to field, observe the situations, observe the conditions, and he will talk with the respondents and then collect the data. And that is why primary data is more reliable. But in case of secondary data, we don't know who collect this data, how they collect this data, okay, when they collect the data, we don't know all these things. So secondary data is less responsible, less reliable. So these are the points of primary data and secondary data. So this is the so all these questions I think we have discussed of this chapter. So almost this chapter is completed. If there is any points or any question left, then you tell me, I will discuss it. Okay, and next I will start the new chapter from microeconomics.